Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can fix creator fund not showing on your TikTok account. So first of all, what I'll do is I'll head over to my TikTok. Once I'm on my TikTok right here, I'm going to head over to my profile, and then as you can see, if I go to creator tools and then click on creator fund, what you can do is you can see all of the requirements that are required for the creator fund. So if you meet all of these requirements and creator fund is still not showing, what we need to do is we need to head back, and then once we are back on our profile here, we can click on the three lines in the top right hand corner, click on settings and privacy, and then we need to scroll down until you see an option for report a problem. So click on report a problem, and then you will now need to click on the little paper icon in the top right hand corner of your screen. So once we click on that and we are on this page, as you can see there is a little pencil icon in the top right hand corner. Click on this. And then what we can do now is we can leave a little bit of feedback to TikTok, just asking them to enable the creator fund on our page. So all you simply need to do is put something like, just something really simple like this. So creator fund option is not available on my account. Can you please enable creator fund as I meet all of the requirements? All you simply need to do is just put a short message like that, and you can go ahead and submit this to TikTok support, and then once they have obviously received this, they will then be able to enable creator fund on your account. So it's just that simple guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I'll see you in the next one.